some researchers at the University of Trent in Canada deviated from their usual work in a non-linear optical microscope to explain one of the interesting scientific puzzles that can be made in modern homes, which is the explanation for why plasma bursts are released from grapes when placed in the microwave. Here is some basic information for those who do not know this experience that has become popular in social networking sites, because for a reason we do not know and do not intend to think about it at this moment, someone cut the grape seed almost completely into two halves with a section of the shell left between them, and then put it in a microwave oven. This led to sparks that caused flashes of the plasma material, and the plasma in short is the fourth phase of the material after solid, liquid, and gas, which is similar to the phase of the sun. So this experiment became popular on the site YouTube, and some bloggers have shown that plasma production can be greatly improved by drying of grapes partially or placed inside an inverted plastic container. Warning: despite the pleasure that we get during the experiment by increasing plasma production, but many people have destroyed their furnaces when conducting the experiment, so if you decide to try it, then it is your own responsibility. In spite of the many interpretations provided by the pioneers of social networking sites via the internet, none of them were actually verified through official research, let alone a review of academic specialists, and we will review in the following the most prominent of those explanations. One of them came from some employees of the Canadian National Academy of Sciences, who assumed that the cause of these plasma flashes was the surface conductivity of the skin of grapes. But others disproved this hypothesis, explaining that pieces of fruits other than grapes of similar size give similar results, and even hydrogel water beads can achieve the same results, and the same effect can be repeated even if we peel grapes or moisten the surface that is believed to provide the necessary electrical conductivity, and even quail eggs have managed to achieve the same result during the experiment. The real reason, according to researchers at Trent University, is the size of the fruits. These fruits form what are called the optical resonances, or resonant cavities, whose resonance frequency corresponds to the field of microwave frequencies, and these cavities focus on the electromagnetic fields inside the two halves of the grape, forming a point hot in the hollows of each half of the grape seed. So we have two connected hotspots that cause the spark that strips the atoms of their electrons to produce plasma. The hotspots in each half of the grape seed are close enough and hot enough, leading to the ionization of sodium and potassium atoms in the fruit to produce plasma. One of the things that contributed to the success of this process is that the water of which most grapes are made is greatly affected by electromagnetic radiation. This experiment may prove beneficial one day, because fruits in the microwave provide an easier study model for phenomena previously observed only in nanoscales.